Yo, what's up, everyone? It's your boy Real Will here with another trading video, futures trading video. But this video, okay, guys, this video is a complete failure. This is how we as traders trade when we think we know what the market should do and it goes opposite. And this is a bad experience. And I was going to delete it, but I cap it so y'all can see what I go through as a trader. I am about to backtest a strategy that you can use today. Now, you do have to use some type of price action experience, gut feeling, silver bullet, ICT, fair value gap type of thing. Shout out to my boy Nick Sean. He could do it way better. Nick Sean be killing it. But anyways, it ain't about Nick Sean. This strategy right here is simple support and resistance with trend line. With a trend line. This is how I am funded and how I got funded. Using this simple on 1 or 2 time frames. I start on the hour, build my zones on the hour time frame, drop down to 30 minutes, and see if I can see anything in details because yesterday's trade, I took an L because of minor details that I missed out because of excitement and lack of discipline. So I want to make sure I don't miss out on these small details, right? Because when we think about support and resistance, we think about the higher, or I'll show you on the chart, but the highest level of support, the highest, and we forget there's some stuff in the middle. There's some stuff, that we just overthink, and that's destroying us. Even in our personal lives, we think certain things is not destroying us because it's so small. But in reality, is this camera leaning? I don't know, but I don't think it is. Side note, guys. So I'm gonna take you to the charts, and we're gonna see what's popping. All right, so we at the charts, guys. This is my platinum, a trade that I literally missed. Like I showed in my other video, I missed this trend line break. I didn't even draw a trend line. And another one was this minor area right here that I didn't even think about. You see what I'm saying? Like, look at this zone. This zone, I thought it was gonna hit the 38 because it was a fib. I'm done with Fibonacci's. Forget a Fibonacci. Forget a fib. Fibs. I didn't get funded using fibs. And I'm done using fibs. Fibs are not accurate. Yes, it works sometimes, but it's not the best approach. So I am going to take y'all. This is a futures trading video. But because we know past times, like if you go back in the futures market, you see a lot of gaps. It's like the stock market. You see a lot of gaps. So I want something that's super clean because you can use this strategy with anything, with... we go to EU. Let's go to EU. Is EU on here? Okay, boom. We go to GA. We go GU. No. We go. Oh, here go EU. Here go EU. My bad, guys. All right, so we're gonna pick a random number. I thought it was something on here. Like, let me see something real quick. Random number generator. All right. It's a random number generator. All right. And that's how many we will go back. 9. 1. No. All right. We're going to do it 3 times. 1. My eyes closed. 2. 3. We go back 8. All right. Cool. Got it. All right. We go back 8. 1. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, boom. Count the 8. All right, this is where we are. All right, so this 100K is one lot. So if you ever want to back test, on your trading view, this one lot is literally, or 100K is one lot. All right, so first thing I like to do, start on the hour. I like to find my zones. I like to make my zones a little wide to give it some space. I know some people like zones like this. But nah, give it some space. Give it some breathing room, Give it some breathing room. Give it some breathing room. Don't make them too wide, you know? Don't make them too wide, but all right, so we got this zone. Remember, the details matter. This zone. All right, we'll stop there. All right, but let's see if we got anything underneath, just in case it breaks. We don't know. You have to go to a 4 hour, but right now we're not going to do all that. I don't use the 4 hours much, so we're going to do this. All right, so can we place a trend line somewhere? I see a trend line that we could place right here. Simple, guys. All right, boom. Number one, with trend line breaks, you have points. Point A, point B, point C, break. Somewhat came down, retested, I guess you could say that. Break, came back, retested. You had got in that area, and it hit a major zone area support. So, number one thing I look at when I go to the charts, when I'm not excited, is the zones. And then I find a trend line. If I can't find a trend line, I don't try to force it. But most of the times when it breaks past the trend line and come back retest, if it comes back and retest that trend line, it goes back up. Point B, point A. So we can see it coming up here. Now when, we don't know. But most of the times, 85% of the times, it does that. That's what makes trend line stuff so powerful. I learned that from Swaggy C. So Swaggy C, shout out. So we're going to see how much we can make. I don't know. Let's say this is a 50K funded a challenge. All right, 50K funded challenge. We need phase one. We need what? 8%? We need 4K. 50K. Yeah, we need 4K. All right, let's try to make 4K. Risk management. All right, so another thing that's powerful is when it taps into a zone like this, it breaks through, creates resistance. This is support. If it continue to tap and come down here and tap, this zone begin to get weaker. But what I like about this zone is we can wait for a break, close, retest. If we come back into the zone with my alert. So you really want to get in and put alert right here. If it closes, put alert right here. And when that alert hits, you look at your charts, you enter. And stop loss would be, 1-on-1. Let's do 1-on-1s. We're going to do 1-on-1s for right now. Well, we do 1-2s. Let's do 1-2. All right, so let's do 1-on-1. We're going to do 1-on-1s. All right, let's do it. All right, so we get a trend line break. Boom. We're going to wait for a close. All right, so we're not in the trade yet. Came back down here to test this out. So you could have entered here. So let's enter there. Because it came down here, and once it hit support, we're looking for buys. So we just get in for a buy. So we in for a buy. Long position. We go 1-on-1s. Right underneath here. And we go for a 1-on-1. Back up to the zone. We might lose, we might win. I don't know. We lost. Bam. So we took $150 loss. Boom. Okay. This strategy is literally a 50-50 win rate. So say we took our loss. We're down 150. All right. Boom. Okay. Now we're going to put our alert right here because it closed, right? It closed. Put our alert right here. When it comes back up here to retest it, this is where you probably have to go down to like the 4 hour to see where's the next zone. Oh. Where's the next zone? It would probably be this zone right here. This area right there. All right. So go back down to the hour. Boom. It might give us a retracement. It might not. Let's see. Boom. Retracement. Boom. So we got it because we literally got in right here. You see what I'm saying? We literally got in right here. Stop loss was right here. So let's see if we can pull that. Let's see if we can back that up a little bit. Let's see if we can do a 30 minutes real quick. Let's see. Because you want it right here. So let's see. Boom, we in. We in. All right, we in. So we buy. Boom. We buying. Stop loss. We gonna short. Stop loss right here. Above here, 30 pips. So we're gonna risk about $300. And we're gonna take it down to the zone for 1-1. Let's see what happens, guys. We can go back to the hour. Hold on. Why is it? Did we buy? Hold on. I'm confused. Did we buy it? Hold on, guys. My bad. That was a mistake. Let's do that again. Yeah, forget it. I don't know why. I didn't sell. All right. So I don't know. My bad, guys, on that one. That was a big old mistake. So we took another L. So we're really down 150 because it came back and closed up here. So now we're looking for this to break and retest. So we down 150. So or $300. We down $300. So we took 2 L's. All right. So we got this. We got the break. Let's see if we can get a retest. Pull back. Boom. They're going to pull back. Come on, man. All right. Just because we back tested, it's so difficult to even pull that move. Let's see. Let's see if the 30 minutes give us something. Boom. We in right there. All right. So we in. Bye. And we down $300, guys. Remember that. We go boom. Stop loss. We put it underneath here. And we're going to go for a... Let's go for a... Forget it. Let's take it up here to the zone. So it's a 1 and 2. And let's do it. Dang. That's why I don't do Forex. I don't think I'm gonna do this video over. Forex is not clean at all. This is why I don't trade Forex. Hey, forget about the video y'all just saw. Was a perfect example of how we think we know what we talking about. When in reality, we do, but we don't. The market don't give a crap about your strategy, your feelings, or your emotions. So what y'all saw in that video, I made some mistakes, but that's what we do when we are emotional. And that's why backtesting is so important. Was the strategy good? The strategy was perfect. Now, did it fit Forex? I don't know. It didn't fit GA or whatever I was trading, EU. We know how choppy EU is. It's slow. Do it work with the futures? It worked for me. But I'm going to do another video, and I'm going to do it with the futures market. But like I said, this was a video that was suspect. No, it ain't suspect. I'm still funded, and I still got proof that I have payouts. So we all good traders, but we all just make mistakes. So make sure you like, share, subscribe if you like this video. I just kept it 100 with y'all. Let's go.